Salesforce Lightning Lead Entry and Opportunity Conversion, brought to you by SaaS Solutions. To begin entering a lead, select the Leads tab. Use the search feature to make sure the lead does not already exist. For this example, we are searching the last name Tyndall. From the drop-down menu, select Tyndall for the entire database. Once you are sure the lead does not already exist, select the Leads tab again. Then select the New button to create a new lead. Please note that mandatory fields are indicated with a red asterisk. Fill in as much information as you have about the new lead, then scroll down. When you have finished entering all of your data for the new lead, then select Save. The lead is created. The Highlights panel contains key fields for the record. Lead status is indicated in the status bar. Related lists house information from related objects. Activity, chatter, details, and other information are located in subtabs. In this example, select the Add button to log a call as an activity. Enter the information regarding the call, then select Save. The task is saved. The call is logged under Past Activity. For our next activity, select Email. Enter the appropriate information for the email, then scroll down. Once you have finished entering the email information, then select Send. The email is sent and recorded under Past Activity. Now select New Task to create an upcoming task. Enter the appropriate information for the new task, then scroll down. Once all of your information has been entered, then select Save. The upcoming task is created. For easy review, next steps and past activity are recorded on the timeline for the lead. Update the lead status as you work with the new lead. Continue nurturing the new lead until you are ready to convert the lead to an opportunity. One method of determining if a lead should be converted is the BANT method. B stands for budget, A for authority, N for need, and T for timeline. If your lead meets the BANT criteria, select Convert. The converted status and record owner are pre-filled. The record owner can be changed here if needed. Select Search Account to begin entering a new account. Then select New Account from the drop-down menu. Enter the appropriate information for the new account, then scroll down. The billing address information auto-populates. Fill in any additional fields that are necessary, then select Save. Enter the opportunity name. Standard best practice equals company name, followed by product or service, followed by date, then select Convert. The lead is converted, and the pertinent information is mapped to the contact, account, and opportunity. Now select Go to Leads. Note that since the lead was converted, it no longer appears as a lead or on the Leads List view. To review the newly converted lead, select the Accounts tab. Select the new account name from the recently viewed list view. On the account record, the Highlights panel contains key fields for the record. Details, related, activity, and chatter information are located in subtabs. Note that the contact and opportunity information from the lead has been mapped appropriately. You can click on the URL shortcut links under Contacts or Opportunities to view further information for each object. Now select the Activity subtab to review mapped activities. Note that the next steps and past activity has been mapped from the lead to accounts, contacts, and opportunities. We hope you've enjoyed this video. At SaaS Solutions, our primary focus is to provide high-value, high-impact professional services that transform the way our clients do business. Please contact us at www.saascrm.io with any questions.